Hey everyone, we recently went back to Dollar Tree for the first time in a long time and found some super cute things for fall and for Thanksgiving. So for starters, we actually picked up one of their pool noodles that they have on markdown to clear out all the summer decor. The reason why we picked this up is we're going to cut it down to different sizes, and we're going to use these to help hold the girls' boots up in the bottom of their closet so that they're not like flopped over, and try to help the boots hold a little more shape. I'm not talking like the cowgirl style boots, I'm talking like the ones that are fabric made and don't usually stand up on their own. So that's the purpose of the pool noodle and why we're getting it for fall. One of my girls has gotten into where she likes creating like little doll houses and sets and things like that, and she wanted a pumpkin for her dollhouse to decorate it for fall, and she found this and thought she could also use the fall leaves as well. So that is a project just for her. So before we get started over here, I realized that this one was broken on the way home, but that's okay because we actually have wood glue to fix this. But do you see that there's 4 of these? What we started doing years ago when we had a really tight budget was we wanted the kids to have something fun to do on Thanksgiving morning while they were waiting for, Thanksgiving lunch to come around, and just a fun little craft that was fall themed just for them. And ever since then, it became like a tradition of every year we buy like a fall craft for them to do and save it for Thanksgiving Day. And what I usually do is I have a fall tote, but anything Thanksgiving immediately is packed back down into it. We pull that tote out for Thanksgiving, unpack all like the Thanksgiving dishes and decor for just Thanksgiving Day that we save just for like tabletop stuff that I don't want to get broken before Thanksgiving Day. So all of that is put in there. That is where all of this is fixing to go. And I mean, on the day of, we can still fix this with wood glue. It's super fun. It's fine, and our wood glue dries super fast. So we're going to put all these in there, but these are the ones that they picked, and we have 4 kids and they had 4 different designs. So this one is just a pumpkin, and this year they have like glitter paint on them that say different things. So like this one says give thanks. The scarecrow has glitter paint on its little scarf. Then we have this wagon that says hello fall, and then the old-fashioned truck with the happy harvest. Of course, that one's my favorite because that's kind of my theming I like. And then last but not least, super short haul, but we kind of, it's not really that they were out of, it's just we already have quite a bit of fall decor anyways, so we didn't want to pick up a lot of things, but I wanted to pick up just some fun cutesy little things to add to our fall. And they had these are the little picks that you can put either in vases or in the ground. I'm gonna let the kids choose if they want to put them outside or put them in like little vases on the porch, around the house, or anything like that. So I let them choose and let each girl pick, or let 2 girls pick a pack, and they all ended up picking basically the same packs. Although this one has a lighter color oak leaf, my dog's barking, and then this one has the darker color oak leaf.